Are you a content creator looking to take your channel to the next level? Do you want to turn your passion into a thriving business? Hi there, my name is Shanika Bridges Matthews, and I am the creator behind Shackles Off TV. When I started my YouTube journey, getting monetized seemed like a pipe dream. But then I discovered the power of Video IQ. Video IQ gave me the tools and insights I needed to boost my channel's performance, from keyword optimization to understanding my audience. Video IQ empowered me to create content that resonated and drove results. Thanks to Video IQ, I was able to accelerate my channel's growth and get fully monetized on YouTube in around 90 days. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer for content creators. Are you ready to unlock your channel's full potential? Click the link to sign up for Video IQ and take the first steps towards achieving your monetization goals.